Unpacking the Phrase Move On Out, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, move on out. This might sound straightforward, but it's packed with meaning and is commonly used in everyday English. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's unravel the mystery behind move on out together. Move on out is a phrase that combines two parts, move on and out. Individually, these words have their own meanings, but when put together, they create a unique expression. Move on typically means to proceed or progress, while out can mean away from the inside. So, when combined, this phrase can take on a couple of different meanings depending on the context. 1. Literal meaning. In its most literal sense, move on out can mean to physically leave a place. Imagine someone is leaving their house, and a friend might say, "It's time to move on out." Here, it means to exit or depart from a location. 2. Figurative meaning. More figuratively, move on out can mean to progress in life or make a significant change. For example, if someone is starting a new job in a different city, a family member might say, "You're moving on out to bigger and better things." In this context, it's about moving forward in life or career. Let's see some examples of how move on out can be used in sentences. 1. Literal use. After the meeting, everyone started to move on out of the conference room. 2. Figurative use. After graduating, she decided it was time to move on out and start her own business. By seeing it in these sentences, we can better understand how the phrase is used in everyday English. To remember this phrase, think of it in two parts. First, remember, move on as progressing or continuing. Then, add out to imply moving away from something, whether it's a physical location or a stage in life. Combining these ideas will help you recall the phrase and its meaning more easily. And that's a wrap on the phrase, move on out. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting English expression. Remember, language is all about context. And the more you practice, the more natural these phrases will become. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.